everyone. I hope you're well. Please like and subscribe before we start. Thank you. So today we will be roasting this cringe YouTuber called Uwucutesingle. A quote for the list. I know it's rude, but I got enough of her. She is using religion for likes, bullying, scamming kids. So let's get started. Which one?
Parents.
Money.
Parents, of course.
Bacon, are you dumb? You need money more than parents. Idiot.
How dare you? Parents are the best.
Only people who love parents will like and subscribe. Like and subscribing won't make the slender like their mum or for the Uwucutesingle.
Hey guys, it's Uwucutesingle here, and today we will rate the new Roblox bundles. One with Billy made me so mad. Like, I don't even understand why y'all want to get it back. Hashtag don't bring back Billy. I don't like Billy at all.
I want to kill someone. I'm going to kill you.
No.
Don't kill kitten.
Oh well, I'm gonna kill both of you.
Like and subscribe right now to save us, please.
Haha, no one didn't like, so goodbye.
Thank you.